Hello and welcome to Real Plans, the official Whole30 meal planning solution. This is a short video to show you how to use the web version of our meal planning app. We've created a Whole30 plan for you that spans over 4.5 weekly meal plans. Each week contains a set of recipes, leftovers, and helpful notes to cheer you along the way. If you click here, you can see all the recipe pictures, and here are the leftovers. For example, on day 1, you cook this quiche here, and then eat it for breakfast on day 2 and 3. Now, let's say you want to swap it out. You can search for other quiches here, find one that you like, then delete this one and drag over the new one. To create leftovers, you can simply drag the recipe like this, pick leftovers, and do the same for day 3. On the left are all your Whole30 compatible recipes, so you really can't go wrong. Feel free to change anything you like. You can even just clear the whole week and do your own thing if you like by going here. Whichever way you go, let's imagine this is the completed meal plan. I can then go to the shopping list and check off whatever I already have in my kitchen. For example, I've already got a lot of garlic, so I don't need any, and I can check them off like this. Perhaps I've already got all the spices. I click to check them all off. I'm also going to add all the recommended Whole30 staples to my plan each week. And you know, I don't need that sparkling water after all, so I'm going to take that off my weekly shop. So, you get the idea. Set yourself up for success before you go to the shops. I can then either print off the shopping list or download the iOS or Android version of Real Plans, take my smartphone to the shops and get everything. So, imagine I've come back from the shops and now I start cooking. I click on a recipe and see how to make it. There are more settings over here that you can dive into if you really want to go custom, like adding additional restrictions to your Whole30 diet or changing out your kitchen equipment. But we've designed Real Plans to give you everything you need right here between your planner and shopping list. Plus, if you feel you have gone too far and want to get back to the original plan we gave you at the beginning, just go here, click Templates, and reapply your initial plan. If you need further help, visit our support section here to view this video at any time, ask a question down here like this, or leave us a message and our team will get back to you. So that's it. Super easy recipe selection, organized shopping lists, and delicious Whole30 meal plans. And once you're done with your Whole30, your Real Plan subscription comes with a simple meal planner, so you can leverage your newfound food freedom far into the future.